Welcome to this video. Today I will show you how MRDCL Central works. The new MRDCL Central is a scripting command language that's included the both-in editor, log-on-generated file viewers, and report index that still has the export and print features, plus an added import file features. These are the buttons for adding an STP file or importing either SSS XML, SSS text file, or SPSS file. STP recently is adding an STP file as well as adding from classic MRDCL list. SSS file and SPSS save file can be uploaded. You can easily view the last run state, date, and time of the modified STP file as well as STP file as favorite. The recently search box and the search box that will help to use easily look for an STP file in the recent list. These recent list buttons are the following. If you pick an STP file, tidying non-existing STP file to link the STP file and delete all files. Selected STP file with status is displayed in the tab banner. MRDCL Central has two function menu buttons. These are the MRDCL Classic MRDCL buttons, which has the same size of buttons in the Classic MRDCL, and MRDCL Central button, which contains a basic function buttons. MRDCL Central Editor Viewing Tool and the STP Editor has syntax highlighting that will surely help users in editing the STP files. Recent list of buttons to view MRDCL Central recent list, as well as recent list from the Classic MRDCL, user can create a new STP buttons, open an existing STP files, and open STP project buttons. Open STP projects allow users to open STP file with one or multiple service STP file. It also includes new import functions like import triple XML, SSS text file, and import SPSS subfiles. Importing SPSS subfile will automatically generate the data file and subfile that will be added to STP recent list. Setting buttons include a setting and option to switch between MRDCL Central and MRDCL Classic menu buttons. View help links like online YouTube videos and blogs about MRDCL Central, open Classic MRDCL, and view module messages. Switching between MRDCL Central and MRDCL Classic menu buttons allows the users to use MRDCL Central module menu buttons or switch to the Classic module buttons. The MRDCL Central menu buttons are the friendly menu that can easily follow from creating an STP file, editing STP file, run STP report index and settings, export print on the menu, while the Classic menu have the same buttons menu in the Classic MRDCL and the previous users might be accustomed to. The selected STP file will be viewable and added to tab. User can edit the STP file from the tab, and the user can also view the run-generated files and tabs like plugin listing tabs. Users can also open the CSV files by clicking the button and report. And table tabs, if you report index, user can also click on the index of the buttons in the table tab to open the report index and generated table XLR file in Excel or in other XLX viewer. Subfile tab is for viewing subroutine STP file. This is helpful when user import a project to STP files with subfile. The right pane will show all the subfile used for the main STP project file, and user can create the STP subfile, delete a subfile, or add an existing subfile to another directory. To open or close the tree pane on the right, users can click the open/close pane button. Editor command contains all the editor shortcut keys such as save, search, go to, cut, copy, paste, delete line, delete to the right, and delete to the left, and select all. Project subfiles contain all the subfiles used from the main STP project file. View variable is the same view variable from the Classic MRDCL. Click on the icon to select variable for viewing. Other features for MRDCL includes report indexer, which create an XLX file, export module, which allows you to export XTP file to resolve, TPSMR, SAS, triple XML, and SPSS subfile. You can also print module. And lastly, the import The run batch setters allow users to create multiple STT run in MRDCL without creating a batch file.